Hello everyone, today I want to play God of War Bethesda again by my emulator. It will be part 7. I don't know what is gone. In Thai language that means something or own it and like own book. Something like ฟังใจ and I will continue. It means something like very own. In Thai language พอเก่าแก่ from Thailand. Now I want to move on. This is code of area. It might say not wrong, it's code of area. To find loading Okay, need to plant it. Oh, yeah. That one there is really strong. Okay, I can do it. Okay, we open that case. Now it open to me. And I will back. Okay, I can read more hearing. Oh no. They don't need to that. I'll be back. I see something like it and I will continue. I know my loading is too long. Need to find the jump. Okay, I can coming to this. I need to get past this part 7 and it cannot be like point. Okay, let's go it too long and scary to me, but I will pay till I'm gone from this. With my nature law, I will continue. 1, 2. Oh, it can be. I know how to make it. Now I had collabing and I will be to the next part. I don't remember his name, but I will get going because I can remember his name. His name is Sebastian or not, I don't know. You will try to 1, 2 not did you rank and something like now gonna be dying again and burning again. The code of alien Titan. Kill me. Go into it. Maybe I can passing this. Okay, I think it's the part. Thank you for watching everyone. That may